morning, everybody. Happy new week. A week of our divine favor. A week of our divine favor. Divine location will continue to locate you guys in the mighty name of Jesus. This new week, you're going out and you're coming in shall be blessed in the mighty name of Jesus. This new week, God Almighty will protect everything that concerns you in the mighty name of Jesus. Ní rìn níjọ́ tí ebi bá ń pọ̀nù. Ní ogun accident. Ẹ máa lọ́re, ẹ máa bọ̀re. Ikú ò ní kọ́ yín lẹ́sẹ̀ o. Ní agbára ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù. Mi ò fẹ́ mọ̀wú business tó ń ṣe nílé ayé. You will flourish. Your business will flourish. Everything around you will be flourished. There will be no cause for you to be sad in this new week in the mighty name of Jesus. And it shall be well with us. Kí la gbé wá fún yín láàárọ̀ yìí. Ẹ ṣé gan. Thank you for yesterday. So many people called me yesterday. Pé Mommy Anamayo, wow! I love your show yesterday. Ẹ mọ̀ pé nígbà lẹ́kọ̀ọ̀kan a ní láti make it real. You understand? Because gbogbo nǹkan téèyàn máa ń sọ lórí social media is real. Tó ti yé yín. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí social media tí àwa so many speaker tá máa ń sọ ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nílé ayé. Kò sí nílé ayé kò ṣẹlẹ̀ ní. Ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nílé ayé torí ẹ̀ la ṣe ń gbé wá. Tí ò bá ṣẹlẹ̀ nílé ayé, a ní ever gbé wá sílé ayé. And thank you for you guys that was watching me yesterday. Thank you for sharing the show yesterday. I'm really, really happy. You make my day yesterday. In fact, you guys are ẹ má jẹ́ n sọ òyìnbó tí mo fẹ́ sọ òyìnbó yẹn mi ò mọ̀ sọ. God Almighty, the way you share my show, God Almighty will replenish your pocket in the mighty name of Jesus for good. And for you guys that donated to my PayPal yesterday, Almighty God will replenish your pocket in the mighty name of Jesus. Because mo mean pé Ọlọ́run á fún yín ní àníkún ohun rere lágbára Jésù Kristi. Because of people that is here, the show I'm doing today is not all about Yoruba nìkan. I'm going to mix it. English tí mo bá mọ̀, I'm going to say it in Yoruba so that gbogbo wa pátápátá ni mo fẹ́ carry along ní show tí mo fẹ́ ṣe lẹ́yìn. Everybody pátápátá. I want to carry everybody along. Mo fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn. Ẹ ṣáà rí, what age do you think Regina Daniel should get married? What age? Lẹ rò bóyá ó yẹ kó ṣe wedding. What age lẹ rò bóyá ó yẹ kó marry? Because ọmọ yẹn tí à ń wò yẹn, ṣé kò yé yín? Ọmọ Regina yẹn, she was born ọmọ 20 years ni, and the man is going to be 59 years. Ṣó ti yé yín? And tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ wo ìgbésí ayé ọmọ yẹn inú ẹ̀ ń dùn. She's happy. Why is our own headache? Kí ni headache títí wa? When somebody is happy, age wo lẹ feel pé as a mother, torí pé ẹlòmíì bú màmá ẹ̀, ẹlòmíì sọ pé màmá ẹ̀ dẹ̀ wà ńbẹ̀, ó dẹ̀ ṣe kinní kan. Age wo lẹ rò bóyá ó yẹ kó marry? Age wo lẹ rò pé ó yẹ kó bímọ? Ta lẹ rò bóyá ó yẹ kó fẹ́? Ta lẹ rò bí ó yẹ kó fẹ́? Nítorí tí bá bí lọ́mọ tó ṣe wà yẹn. Mi ò ṣáà ní sọ pé kó lọ fẹ́ kó lẹ́kùlẹ̀. Mi dẹ̀ ní sọ pé nǹkan tó bá wù ló máa ṣe o. Nǹkan tó bá wù ìgbésí ayé ló máa ṣe. Torí gbogbo àwọn artist yẹn, gbogbo àwọn Nollywood artist yẹn. Àwọn tí wọ́n tètè fẹ́ ọkọ. Oh, mo ti ń sọ Yorùbá. Look at those Nollywood artists. So many of them that is not Regina age mate. That is not Regina age mate. So many of them, they cannot find any man to be with, to stay with them. They cannot find husband. Some of them are 40, some of them are 30 something, some of them are going to 40 something. They could not be able to find husband as we are talking. Some of them, they are doing their Nollywood and their other job is prostitution. For example, ẹ ṣá mọ̀ kíní kan tó máa ń gbé ọyàn Kosi. Ẹ mọ̀ Kosi. Look at how Kosi started her life. Do you know when Kosi started this Nollywood? Look at how she started her life. Tó bá rí èèyàn gidi, bí wé èèyàn gidi tí Regina Torí ní ọjọ́ ti tèmi, torí wèèyàn gidi bí irú Regina yẹn, Kosi will not be bringing onion, boobs, ṣebọ́yàn náà ni boobs mo gbà, boobs, and be open it to the whole world. Oh, I'll be using that boobs to be collecting money for her to eat. It could have been in somebody's house. Kosi started well with her life. Look at how she ended her life. Ọkùnrin wo ló fẹ́ gbé sílé? Which man is going to marry her? No. Kosi. So many of them tá lè dárúkọ wọn. Ṣé kò yé yín sìn? So many àwọn actress and actresses yẹn. Actress and actresses. Àbí kí lẹ máa ń pè wọ́n? Actress and actresses. Ṣá ni mo lè pè wọ́n. So many of them. They find better man. They refuse to marry at the right time, that time. Because they are into Nollywood and Nollywood. Because they are showing them on TV. They refuse to accept the offer. So Regina accepted that offer. You people are shouting, hey, you're marrying your papa. Let her marry her grandpapa. Let her marry her grandpapa. What age do you want Regina to marry? Who do you want Regina to marry to? If she did not marry to the man, maybe you are calling it her papa. In as much flesh and blood then. What age do you want Regina to marry? Look at so many of these actresses and actresses. Their life are just wasted. Some of them, their life is wasted. It's only TV that is making them to be a celebrity. It's only the movie that they are doing that make them to be a celebrities. One man be mobile. Politicians will fuck them. I want to bandigo. They will make love to them. All this olowo, they will make love to them. They don't marry them. So when Regina was lucky, Regina was the lucky one that find good man, billionaire. Hey, Amali Chamwa. Regina Amali Chamwa ne, ọmọ tó sexy baby. Na star lomo. Abe momo ti mo sọ ni. Na no know the girl. Na no know her. Na know her. Na know the girl we are the talk. Na know am properly. Na no go know wetin. Na know am. Na know Regina na we are the talk. Fine Malato, beautiful girl. She's very, very pretty. Look at that. How many of you that are due to marry, that a man buy you a private jet on your honeymoon? Look at Amali Chanwa. Oh my God, Amali Chanwa. Look at that. Look at how beautiful she is. Wo beautiful. If you are the mother of Regina, will you say Regina should go and marry to Kole? So many people are not fear anyone on social media. You just talk nonsense. So many people, you guys, some people on this social media, they are just are not fear. Ọmọ tó rí báyìí, ọmọ tó sexy, Amali Chanwa. Oh my God. Ọmọ tó fine báyìí. Ó wá rí kò bá jẹ́ number 10. Kò bá jẹ́ number 10 ló jẹ́ nínú housewife yẹn. Kò jẹ́ number 10. Kò jẹ́ number 10. Kò jẹ́ pé Regina yìí ni 10th wife. Ìwọ tó jẹ́ yí pé number 2 ní ẹni ilé ọkọ ẹ̀, you are number 2 as wife in your husband's house. How many jets do you have? How many Benz did the man buy for you? How many Benz? Tell me, because now Regina is cussing with Benz. Cussing with Benz. So what age do you want her to marry? Ẹ̀yin ẹ lásọdùn gbọ̀rọ̀ mi rò. A fi àpá ìdìbò tí wọ́n mọ́lẹ̀. Dọ́wọ́ mi rò. Wá nǹkan tó ń ṣe yín, jealousy. What age do you want Regina to marry? Ẹ sọ fún wa what age? Because we can see so many children. They are going to their husband's house. Their first day of their messes. Some of them, it is their husband's house. They will do their menstruation. But Regina, she about other university eton. Because she university eton. Regina is 20 years to be precise. You now say she wants to marry to her grandfather. Let her marry to her grandfather. Is the billionaire man his father? Sheba Benny. Kilo de te yawa Nigeria yi. With the whole of the poverty to one in Nigeria. Ah, Regina, if I am your mother, will sign. My baby papa my sign. Mama sign. Mama baby body me. Mama sign. Torí gbogbo iṣẹ́ tó wà nínú ẹbí wọn ó ti kúrò nínú ẹbí wọn. Kí ló dé? Tó yẹ pé inú poverty lẹ fẹ́ kú sí ní Nigeria. You will be looking at poverty, babe. Wama wonu belo. Wama in the name of love. Everything will be good. Everything. Ìgbà mi o máa ń da fáwọn ẹlòmíì o. Ìgbà mi o máa jìyà tó máa fi kú ni. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ mi tó jẹ́ pé o máa bọ́kùnrin yẹn suffer. Ìgbà mi o máa ń da fún wọn. Ìgbà mi, the man, you will suffer with that man, the man will be rich. Sometimes you will continue to be suffer and sufferness. Suffer will know your son name, Papa. Poverty will surely know your son name. Sometimes you may be lucky. You will not suffer. Ọlọ́run á gbé man yẹn sọ́wọ́ sókè. But kí ló máa ń ṣe àwa Nigeria? When somebody, tani pé Regina lọ fẹ́ wretched man. But you will not be shouting, you will not be screaming. Ah, she's too small to shake me. She's too small to shake back. She's too small to do this. She's too small to do that. Is she complaining? Is Regina complaining? My body is paining me. Is Regina complaining to you guys that Punani is paining her? Did she complain? Regina, did you complain to anybody that your Punani is paining you? That you cannot swallow that cassava? Do you complain to anybody? That is now your good morning. That is now your own palaba, your own headache. To be telling Regina mother that her mother wants her life to shake in. Her life is Baba Sweeters. Regina life is best than most of you. Most of you wish. You wish if that billionaire can even say hello. Most of you that you are prettier than Regina. Most of you. That you are so prettier than Regina. But God never gave you the chance. The billionaire man never look at your sides. Look at so many of the Nollywood. Some of them, they are husbandless. Some of them. A lot of them. If they have done it the way Regina did it and marry early, maybe their life could have been better than where they are now. So because Regina answered, yes, I do, to the man. You are saying she's number 7. She's number 8. Let her be number 11. Let her be number 12. What is your business? Ọlọ́run jẹ́ àbí ọmọ tó máa kó gbogbo ìṣẹ́ kúrò nínú ìgbésí ayé wa, òun là ń sọ. Ní bí ọmọ tó máa tún gbé poverty, tí poverty máa tún no more. So many of Nigeria, your father is a poverty. Your father already, poverty know the me. Poverty know the surname of your father. Your surname of your father is poverty. You now have a Omali Chamwa. Obi ọmọ tó dàbí Regina yẹn tó fine, tó shamalama, tó fine pa tó sham proper. The only thing that the child will go and bring home is another poverty. Ó ti wá rí pé poverty wá dín. The only thing, you sell pure water from morning to night. The only thing gbà tí ọmọ yẹn máa yàn. Nǹkan tó tún lọ gbé wá di poverty, ẹ máa tòṣìkú ni. Ẹ máa tòṣìkú ni, kò sí bí wọ́n yín ṣe máa ra kẹ̀kẹ́. Ẹ lè gun bicycle. You can never ride bicycle in your life. You now have a child. That the child now grow up. She now destroy poverty in your life. You are not saying, Regina that is going. Do you want Regina to be 50 years before she can go to her husband's house? What are you guys talking? I don't understand you people. That you don't even allow that girl to enjoy her marriage. Her 4 months pregnancy. Let her enjoy it. Whether she's not putting the man on her page, what is your fucking business? Whether she's hiding the man, what is your life? Leave her alone. Stop being self-center. Self-center ni yín. Ẹnìkan ló kọ síbẹ̀ yẹn lánàá mi ò mọ mí nìyí. Àárín lè dúró sí ẹ̀dúró sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́. Ẹ ń ṣe ségesège láàrin tẹ wà ní ẹ máa ṣubú láàsì náà ni. Kí ni mí ní self-center? Ìkúkú mọ mí ní mo kàn sọ tèmi ni. Àárín lè dúró sí. Màá bí ọmọ tó máa gbọ́n gbogbo ìṣẹ́ dànù nínú ayé mi. Olúwa fún mi níwọ̀ ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó máa bá mi gbé mi lọ ní àwà bílóníà. Èmi ọmọ kò lè níyàn. Màá wá bí ọmọ tó máa bá mi gbọ́n ìṣẹ́ dànù kúrò nínú ayé mi. Oh my God, mi ìmọ̀dún sí máa mú gàrí. Gàrí ò ní ṣe oúnjẹ mi mọ́. Bíló máa ní. Bíló. You are talking about below. You are telling me how old? How old? How old làwọn ọmọ tó ń lọ sílé ọkọ lọ́mọdún 11 years? How old ni wọ́n? How old are they? But this one, she went to university. Ó jáde university àbí kò jáde mi mọ̀ bí ó jáde university. Ó lọ sí school náà, ó lọ sí secondary school. Kò gbóyún náà. Ó tún àti kò gbóyún. Later be. It is not your business to tell the mom. Níṣẹ́jú màmá ẹ̀ jẹ́ kó bá lọ jẹ́ 20 number 20. Read my lips. Kó lọ jẹ́ number 20. She will never suffer anymore in your life. That's the most important thing. Òun gangan níyàwó gangan. That is the first wife. Amalijawa. Òun gangan ló control inú ilé yẹn lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Inú ilé ló ti lọ jẹ́ number 20 wife. Òun ló control ẹ̀. Kí ló ń ṣe yín? Ẹ jẹ́ play kíní kan fún yín. Ẹ já sí, ẹ jẹ́ ń já yín sí. Ẹ já sí rárá. Ẹ jẹ́ play kíní kan fún yín.
Device is ready to pair.
Ẹ bá rí bọ́mọ yẹn ṣe ń jó. Ẹ jẹ́ play kíní kan fún yín.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Ẹ jẹ́ ń gbé ọmọ yẹn fún yín bó ṣe ń jó. Ọmọ tó sexy baby na star. Ọmọ owó bó wọn ṣe rí. Jésù amalicha nwa abẹ́ẹ̀gì ẹ lọ́jọ́ ẹ bọ́ mo ṣe ń jó. Mélòó ló nínú yín? Mi mọ àòdù tó máa marry. Mi mọ àòdù ló yẹ kó wà kó tó marry. Àwọn èèyàn àwọn ẹlẹ́nu kàríkàṣọ. Ọmọ tí ò complain pé nǹkan kan ṣòun. Kò complain. Ẹ̀yin lẹ ń complain. Ẹ máa complain ni complain. Nìkan golden fish. Má dá wọn lóhùn, má gbádùn ààrẹ o. Regina wọn tó ń sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ wọn tó ti kó òṣì kúrò nínú ẹbí wọn. Ó gbé òṣì kúrò lọ ẹbí. Wọ́n á ní pé kinní kan. Ẹ gbọ́ ẹ jẹ́ máa yín play ẹ̀ bó ṣe ń gbádùn pẹ̀lú ọkọ ẹ̀. Ẹ wo ẹ ti rí. Everyone wants champagne. Regina ni àtọ́pẹ́. Tẹ̀tí wọ́n change music yẹn. Tẹ̀tí ló wọ àtọ́pẹ́ nìyẹn. Baby boo. Ó dúdú. Tẹ̀tí ló wọ àti bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn nìyẹn. Òun àti bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn má nìyẹn ó change music yẹn. What age? Ẹ fẹ́ kó marry. What age? Bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn change music yẹn. Ó change ẹ̀ tó ìtìtì ẹ̀. Ẹ rí ni. Ó lè máa rí báyìí. Òun àti bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn ń gbádùn gbèsè ayé ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin wà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ń gbé. Ẹ̀yin wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀ ń sunkún. Ẹ̀ ń sọ pé Regina o, kìnìkan o, kí ló dé tó ṣe gbá o, kí ló. What age? No age in marriage or love. People should try and mind their business. They don't mind their business. People don't mind their business anymore. Especially in kìnìkan. Ẹnìkan tí wọ́n sọ pé pẹ́pẹ́sẹ́ o, Regina, ó sọ pé Regina has finally confirmed. She has finally confirmed her marriage. Ó ti confirm marriage ẹ̀ tipẹ́tipẹ́. Ẹ̀yin lẹ wò bí ó ń gbé bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn sá. Àwọn ẹlòmíì ti sọ pé yes, so I am available to be number 7. Ó ti kọ sórí Instagram pé I love you in capital letter. Ó ti kọ sórí Instagram bẹ́ẹ̀. Kí ló kàn wá? What is our own business? What is our own business? Ẹnìkan tí wá sọ pé Regina pé ó ń cut the picture bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn kúrò lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́. Kí ló kàn yín? Baby, don't cut me off upload with both picture. Madam, why are you cutting your husband from the picture? Where did she cut? The man is not sitting down beside her. The man is not there. Where did she cut the man picture off? Kí ni problem wá? She is proud. That is the reason why you can see them together anywhere. Wọ́n tún jọ rìn kiri ni. Wọ́n jọ rìn kiri. Wọ́n jọ rìn kiri níbi tí wọ́n lọ. Níbi tí wọ́n lọ, wọ́n jọ lọ rìn kiri ni. Bọ̀bọ́ yẹn lọ sí kí ló wúkú ẹ̀. Bọ̀bọ́ yẹn jáde lọ. Regina tẹ̀lé. Bọ̀bọ́ yẹn lọ sí ibi kan ó lọ ṣe nǹkan níbẹ̀. Regina dẹ̀ tẹ̀lé lọ. Kí lẹ̀ ń sọ? She's pretty. Ẹ jẹ́ kó gbádùn kíní ẹ̀. Kíní ni wá. Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tẹ́nìkan sọ. Ẹ máa gbọ́ nǹkan tẹ́nìkan sọ.
At what age should a girl get married? Because I don't know if we have the question. At what age should a girl get married? Because I don't know if we have dates and number to this. Then we have many mothers coming online saying, Regina Daniel, you're too young to marry one good man. Look, let me tell you something, you're playing with your life. Regina Daniel, this girl get mama. He get family members.
Which life is he playing with? Shama pa ni. Shama lọ ṣògùn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ṣe máa ń ṣògùn ni. Àwọn tó máa lọ ń ṣògùn owó yìí ò tówó ni. Lọ ṣe lọ ń ṣògùn. Billionaire lélẹ̀ ní. Tí kòkòrò jobi kòkòrò tó máa ń jowó tó bá wọnú owó yẹn sì máa kù. Kòkòrò tó máa ń jowó tó bá wọnú owó mánù tí Regina lọ fẹ́ yìí owó yẹn sì máa ṣẹ́kù. Kí ni problem yín? 59 years ni man yẹn. Oh my God, má ṣe wá bá yín sọ sórí ní jọkànjọkàn. 59 years. Ẹlòmíì gan kò ń ṣe èjì Regina ló wà tó ti máa rí ẹni tó ju èjì Regina lọ tí ò dẹ̀ ń ṣe billionaire. Ẹ máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí yẹn. Kí ló kàn yín bẹ́ẹ̀? What is your business? What age? Who do you think Regina should marry? Ṣé bọ̀bọ̀ tó lọ sí Nigeria BB àbí kí ló máa ń pè yẹn náà? BB house àbí Nigeria BB Nigeria house. Ṣé yẹn? ṣé yẹn máa mọ bó ṣe ń tẹ́kì ẹ̀ skin èèyàn ìyẹn máa mọ bó ṣe ń bá tún ìgbésí ayé èèyàn ṣe ìyẹn máa mọ bó ṣe máa ṣéǹjì mọ́tò tó ṣe máa ra mọ́tò fún lórí ní ìṣẹ́jú ṣé ẹni tó fẹ́ kó tẹ̀lé nìyí why that is the reason why tí ẹ mọ̀ yìí pé ní Nàìjíríà yẹn ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn politician àwọn tó wà tó ń rúlù yín àwọn ló ń ba ti ìgbésí ayé yín jẹ́ ẹ rí nǹkan kan ṣe sí ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ síbi tọ́wọ̀ wà SARS ṣe rí látijọ́ tí SARS ti ń pẹ́ àyàn ṣọ́pọ̀ ọmọ Babangida ṣọ́pọ̀ ọmọ Buhari ṣó lọ sílé ọmọ Buhari kó lọ pa wọ́n ìgbà tí ò ya wèrè ẹ̀yin ọmọ tálíkà náà ló ń pa kiri àwọn ọmọ tálíkà ní SARS ń pa kiri òun ò ṣe lọ SARS ò ṣe gbéra kó lọ pa ọmọ Buhari àbá àwọn yìí òun rìn lójú títì ẹni tí tó bá máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà yẹn àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n poverty yìí bá jà àwọn ló ń padà ní wọn ò ní rí ọmọ olówó lẹ́ẹ̀kan lọ yìnbọn pa àwọn ọmọ tálíkà ìjọ ò lè máa kúrò ẹ mọ̀ pé poverty ti mú yín ní Nàìjíríà yìí ẹ mọ̀ pé poverty ló jẹ́ kẹ́ máa think bí wèrè ten sọ pé ọmọ 20 years kò yẹ kó tì máa rí poverty ló ń jẹ́ kẹ́ máa ronú bẹ́ẹ̀ poverty ló ń jẹ́ kẹ́ máa ronú pé ọmọ 20 years kò tí yẹ kó máa rí tí ọmọ 11 years tó dẹ̀ ń ṣe wedding fún ní north ọmọ 11 years wọ́n ń ṣe wedding fún ní north ọmọ 20 years wá fẹ́ marry ẹ wá sọ pé it's not yet time nítorí pé kò lọ fẹ́ tálíkà nítorí pé kò fẹ́ tálákà máa mìà men are gbé body yín men are think wise men are think like a normal person stop thinking like ẹni tí ayé ẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́ stop thinking like that so many people ló kọjá 35 years tó lọ fẹ́ old man tó fẹ́ young boy his own age ó fẹ́ ọmọ òun 35 ẹni tó fẹ́ náà bíi 40 bíi 40 years ni wọ́n fìyà jẹ ara wọn ni cheat tí bọ̀bọ́ yẹn ti cheat báyìí ó ju ti ọkọ Regina gan lọ ó ju ti ọkọ Regina lọ ọkọ Regina ń fẹ́ wọn ni kò máa cheat káàkiri kò fi Regina ṣe side chick he did not use Regina as a side chick he did not use Regina as a side chick ó sanwó orí ẹ̀ ní so many yín lẹ ti wọ 30 ìmí inú yín 27 wọn ò sanwó orí yín ẹ dẹ̀ wá lé ọkọ ẹ ń bímọ lọ wọn ò sanwó orí yín wọn ò ní pé kí ìyá yín àti bàbá yín kó gba 20,000 naira báwọn fẹ́ fi fẹ́ yín ìmí inú nínú yín ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń sọ bullshit some of you they did not pay your dowry some of you that you marry at the age of 25 nígbà yẹn wá ń kọ́ who you send who you help with all your marriage that you do. Is it not poverty that is eating you up? Some of you that even marry at the age of 30, you now married to a man that is 45. At the end of the day, he have fucked all your friends. Ó ti fuck gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ. The man have fucked all your friends. Give them belle. Ó ti fún wọn lóyún lọ. Ọkọ Regina kò ṣe wú ẹ ó sọ bad price ẹ ó sanwó orí ẹ ìmí nínú yín how many of you get married they pay bad price for how many men are bring na wedding ring out Regina flaunt it in private jet for that matter men are flaunt na wedding ring not be the one wey na go buy online the one wey dem buy for you on your wedding day no go buy no be the one nonsense one wey na dey put for hand. No be that ring we dey talk about. The type of Regina ring wey dem give am go. That one was sealed. Confirm money apart. Yes, ẹ wo Ṣadé Okoya. Up till now, she's still there. And she married at the age of what? What age the lady was when she married the Okoya? So many actresses and actresses, they are still single. Searching. Single and searching. Because they are showing them on Nollywood. They are showing them on YouTube. They are showing them on anywhere. Their life is finished. So many of them that we cannot even mention their name. Because we don't want to break any table. You are see them. So many of them. The people that is fucking them, they cannot even proud of the man that is fucking them. Because one lowo ju ọkùnrin yẹn lọ. They cannot be proud. They are not proud that the man is fucking them. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Àṣà mo gbà kan. Kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ náà? Kí lorúkọ lady yẹn? Tó wà lórí kíní. Tó wà lórí Instagram. Ó ṣe nídìí. Má lọ gbé wá mo gbé wọn mo ń tẹ̀lé. Ó sì tí mo kì í tẹ̀lé nù. Ṣé kò yé yín sí? Yes. Ẹ lọ wo wọn. Kò tí ìwọ kan fẹ́. Àná dẹ̀ lówó. Ó lówó obìnrin ni. Obìnrin ni ó lówó kò wọ́kọ fẹ́. Ṣé 2 years ago ni máàlù tó máa ń kọrin yẹn. Bàbá tó máa ń kọrin yẹn. Tí ó tún ṣe rẹ́kọ̀dù fún, ó ṣe rẹ́kọ̀dù fún báyìí ni. Tí a gbọ́ pé ó ń fẹ́. Èébú náà lọ bú. Èébú lọ bú pé sọ pé ó ti pọ̀ jù fún máa yẹn jù. Èébú ni wọ́n bú pé ìwọ tó lówó tó yìí kí ló fẹ́ lọ ṣe lọ́dọ̀ máa yẹn. Olówó wo ló máa gbé sílé. Ó lọ wo ẹnu ayé kò fẹ́ máa yẹn mọ́. Kò fẹ́ bọ̀bọ̀ tó ń kọrin yẹn mọ́. Kò fẹ́ bọ̀bọ̀ tó ń kọrin yẹn mọ́. Ìyẹn tún ṣe késẹ̀tì fún o. Ó tún ṣe késẹ̀tì fún o. Kò fẹ́ mọ́. Ìgbésí ayé ẹ̀ ń sí ọmọ kan. Ọmọ kan yẹn tó bí ìgbà tó wà ní school ló bí ọmọ yẹn o. Ìgbà tó wà ní school ló bí ọmọ yẹn. Tani kò bí ọmọ kankan nílé ayé kò ní rí ọmọ kò ní tí bí ọmọ kankan dọ́là. Gbogbo president dẹ̀ ló ti fẹ́. Gbogbo president of Ghana ó ti wọnú punani ẹ̀. President Ghana ti wọnú punani ẹ̀. So kí la ń sọ? So many of them look at their life. Àwọn gbogbo àwọn actresses and actresses in the name of Lollywood. Gbogbo wọn ti dó wọn tán. Ẹ lọ wo gbésí ayé wọn. Kí ni wọ́n dà? Leave Regina alone. That is young chick. She is young. She can decide what she wants in her life. The only thing she wants in her life is to láàrin àwọn ọ̀rẹ́. Tó pé mo rí pé nísìn ó fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn máa follow àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ òun náà. Ìgbà tí mo rí láàrin àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mo rí pé kò ń ṣe pé life tó ń gangan gbé tó ń gbé dùánlà dùánà bí ni. Tó tẹ́ bá rí àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé no be am. Ọlọ́run wá lift ẹ up. Happiness ló need. Kò ní di gbogbo òṣìṣẹ́ yìí sọ yẹ èjì yẹn. Wọn ò mọ̀ ju happiness lọ. Tẹ́ wá sọ pé màmá ẹ o, kí ni màmá ẹ ń wò? Kí ni màmá ẹ fẹ́ wò? Màmá ẹ is full of joy. Tí wọ́n bá jẹ́ ìyá ẹ̀ kó figi fọ́ lórí kó pa. Torí ó gbé bàbá 59 wálé ayé. Ó gbé wálé ẹ. Bàbá 59. Ẹ wá sọ pé grandfather ẹ̀ ni. Kó bá jẹ́ great. Kí wá ní èjì bàbá tó bí òun gangan fún wa rẹ̀. Ìgbà tí bàbá 59 bá jẹ́ grandfather ẹ̀. Bàbá tó bí gangan kí ni èjì bàbá tó bí? So bàbá tó bí máa wà ní 35 years old. Wọ́n ní ẹ ó lọ fẹ́ grandfather. Would na help if she married the grandfather. Àbí àwọn dẹ̀ pé mo ń bọ̀ láti kékeré mi. Èèyàn kan wá jẹ́ olówó wá sọ pé abeg mo tiẹ̀ ti sọ̀rọ̀ ara. Abeg I never talk. Abeg. Owó tí ò tówó lẹ máa sọ pé so you are not scared of your life. Kíni owó tí ò tówó ló máa ń ṣògùn níbẹ̀. Owó tí ò tówó. Owó tí ò tówó. Owó tí ò tówó jẹ, ó wá tí wá lọ gbé nìkan wá, òun lẹ máa jà fún. Bíló ní o, bíló. kí owó yẹn kó tó sì máa lọ sí millionaire á lọ sí owó yẹn á kò láti bílò á bọ́ sí millionaire kò dẹ̀ lè tán ẹni tí ò bá invest ni billionaire o kò ṣe millionaire o láti bílò ó máa ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bọ́ sí millionaire kó tó wá bọ́ sí nairania no láti millionaire bọ́ sí thousandaire á ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá bọ́ sí nairania nísìn bílò ni o rí stage by stage kó tó wá di ẹni tí ò ní rárá ìmí nínú yín family yóò wọn ò gbọ́ ohun mílíọ̀nù ilé ẹlòmíì látijọ́ tó ti délé ayé àwọn family wọn ò rí 1 million rí ó wá bí ọmọ tó yẹ pé ó wá jẹ́ kó máa gbọ́ ohun 1 million ó wá fẹ́ fi igi lọ fọ́ lórí lọ́pà ọmọ tó máa mú ìṣẹ́ kúrò nínú ìgbésí ayé ẹ̀ kí ni èjì máa nìyẹn 59 wàláì àwọn ló perfect marriage wọn perfect ìbàjẹ́ marriage wọn perfect ìbàjẹ́ kí lèèyàn ń ṣe lọ́dọ̀ ọmọdé tó máa fojú ẹ̀ rí rádaràdà àwájẹ́ ọmọdé ló lọ fẹ́ ọmọdé tó ní millionaire ló lọ fẹ́ àwájẹ́ ọmọdé tó ní millionaire ló máa lọ fẹ́ kí ló máa ṣe fún a máa ṣe love ṣé ẹ̀mí ṣé ọmọ àti Davido ni ṣé ọmọ àti Davido ṣé ẹ̀mí wọn ṣe máa ń ṣe love lọ́wọ́ máa ṣe kìsìkìsì ìṣẹ́jú kiss that's the only thing tó máa ṣe tó máa jó fapá wọn pamí lára ti gbá àwọn love in the head àwọn love in the hair nǹkan tó máa ṣe nìyẹn but wage yẹn kò ní máa ṣe gbogbo maturity ó máa fi ọmọ yẹn sí stage maturity ọmọ yẹn máa mature gan ju age ẹ lọ ọmọ yẹn máa mature ju age ẹ lọ ọmọ yẹn máa já sí so many business abẹ́gi ìyẹ́ fi ìyá ìsílẹ̀ ìyẹ́ ìbá o kí lẹ̀ ń bú ìyẹ́ ẹ̀fù ó bí ọmọ tó dà ní amálíjà ń wá ọmọ gidi ọmọ olórí ìwé kí lẹ̀ ń bú fún ẹ fi sílẹ̀ ẹ stop ẹ̀ irú kọ̀ọ̀kan náà ni gbogbo yín tí gbogbo yín bá rí wọ́fà yẹn kí ẹ máa jómọ ni anybody yín tó bá rí wọ́fà yẹn máa gbà á you go collect it irọ́ ni gbogbo yín ń pa. Teba will offer and you will collect it. I'm sure all the people that slander are suffering in their so-called bloody marriage with their age mates, suffering and smiling. God will bless you. So many of our age mates láti fẹ́ kí ló ṣe. Àwa náà la máa dá tọ́mọ, a máa ra gàrí fọ́mọ, la máa ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. Ẹ fi sílẹ̀. Pray for your own time to come. Àti wọn náà tó ti marry tó sọ pé Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kó fẹ́ wu bàbá olóńgbò gbàgbé ẹ̀wù yín là ń sọ àwọn fake idiot tá wá sọ̀rọ̀ wọn lánàá náà nílé lẹ́lẹ́yìn wọn máa gbàdúrà pé Regina ibi tó ti yan orí jẹ́ orí tèmi náà yàn bọ̀ tó bá bọ́ síta wá máa sọ pé Regina kò ń ṣe irú máàlù wo ló yẹ kó fẹ́ ṣé kó lọ fún afọ́jú ni àtàrọ ṣé arọ ni kó fẹ́ ni arọ kéṣe ṣé òun ló yẹ kó lọ fẹ́ lọ́kọ ẹ fi wọ́n sílẹ̀ let her enjoy our sweet darling baby boo baby boo hey Amali Chanwa enjoy your life, it's your time ó máa rẹ́ nípa ni ó fẹ́ rẹ́ nípa ni ó máa rẹ́ nípa ọ̀tá ò lè lọ wo ọ̀tá ẹ̀ akóyọyọ ló máa fọ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ kò lè wọ́wọ́ sọ mọ́ kò lè rí ṣubú ẹ̀ mọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n máa sọ pé báwo lè fẹ́ ṣe bọ̀ ó ti jù wọ́n lọ ó tún ní jet Amali Chanwa ó tún ní jet àwọn ọ̀tá ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń fẹsẹ̀ mi nílẹ̀lẹ̀ kọjá ní kó máa kọjá báyìí kó máa lọ báyìí ni kó máa lọ kó máa sọ pé yéé àwọn plẹ̀tì wọnú ilé àwọn plẹ̀tì àwọn ìranù ẹ máa gbọ́ nǹkan tẹ́ni yìí sọ.
At what age should a girl get married? Because I don't know if we have dates and number to this. Then we have many mothers coming online saying, Regina Daniel, you're too young to marry one good man. Look, let me tell you something, you're playing with your life. Regina Daniel, this girl get mama. He get family member All of them attend the wedding. You know near her, you don't know her before. She buy Benz, now your Benz.
Exactly.
She buy Jeep, now your Jeep.
I don't know.
I'm like a mother, man, advising you.
What is your business? Who are you advising? Advise your own children. And this person that is talking and advising her, have you advised your children finish? By the time they will get into your life, your children, they are professional prostitutes. Sleeping from one man to another. They are dating all the old marriage man in the village. They have fucked the whole of the village married people finish. What is dog ọkùnrin tán? The whole Nigerian man have entered their punani. But Regina life was not like that. Do you want Regina to be selling punani before she get married? She get married at the appropriate time so that she will not useless her life like Kosi. Kosi àbí kí lorúkọ gẹ̀yìn Kosi náà ni. Ẹ wo bí gbèsè ayé ẹ̀ ṣe yámútù. Gbèsè ayé ẹ̀ yámútù ni. Ìgbà tó kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀, ó rain gan. Gbèsè ayé ẹ̀ rain. Ẹ lọ wo gbèsè ayé Kosi nsìn. Kò dàbí tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ mọ́. Every man wants her. They are going after her. A lot of men, they want her. But those nonsense that she was doing, she thinks she's going to go for life. She missed all those opportunities. You were just fucking them. Nobody put her at home now. Because her life is finished. No, Kosi àbí kí ló wúkọ ẹ̀ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ láti sí tó ọlọ́yàn ńlá yẹn. Ọlọ́yàn ńlá tó máa gbé gbogbo ọyàn ẹ̀ síta. Tó yẹ pé nípù nìkan ló máa cover. Nollywood kọ́ ni. Nollywood actress kọ́ ni. Kosi sí ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ Kosi àbí Kosi bẹ̀rẹ̀. Hello, gbèsè ayé ẹ̀. Wàláhì tí bá jí ọkùnrin tó bá tà fún mi ní £1 mi ò ní rà. Tó bá ní wá san £1 fún bed private mi ò ní rà. Mi ò ní sanwó. Mi ò ní kówó lé. Mi ò ní ṣí láṣọwò. Kábọ̀sibọ̀sí mo fẹ́ dùn. Nígbà tó kọ́kọ́ jáde á dá fún yín jàre Kosi. Òun nìyẹn gangan orúkọ yẹn ni. Nígbà tó kọ́kọ́ jáde gbogbo èèyàn dù. Àwọn tó fẹ́ pọ̀ gan. Ó jẹ kámi. Àwọn èèyàn ńláńlá fẹ́ sílé. Bó ṣe wọnú Nollywood Dubai tó fẹ́ máa ṣe fíìmù. Láwọn èèyàn fẹ́ ayé ẹ̀ ní mínì. Wọ́n lò ó dáadáa. Ó rò bóyá ó máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ títí láíláí. Àti ìgbà tó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí lọ jó fún Obesere àbí ta ló lọ jó fún gbà yẹn. Wọ́n ti do yamayama. Kò sí ọkùnrin kankan tó máa kó owó lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn ẹbí ẹ̀. I want her to be my wife. Oh, possible. Kò lè work. Ta ni pé gbà yẹn ni òun náà ti fẹ́ millionaire àbí billionaire. Òun náà ti fẹ́ billionaire. You see? So do you want that to happen to Regina? Because Regina choose wisely. Ọmọ yẹn gbọ́n. Regina, you have sense. And when me at that age, they don't have sense. They want to chop life first. But ìwé ilé má nìyí tó pè mí sí. Bí a kì í dúró de Tirionia máa pè mí. Maybe one president will see me and like me. Don't let me answer this man. Opportunity ẹ ṣe lọ nìyẹn. Opportunity comes at once. When opportunity landed by your side, you make use of it. Don't let anybody deceive you. What age should we be married? What age? Tell me. So many people that marry at the age of 27 years old. Where are they? They are drinking poverty in the morning as a breakfast. Poverty in the afternoon as a breakfast. Poverty at night as a breakfast. Where are they? They are poverty. Anybody that is thinking that Regina is too small to marry. So you want her to be 75 years before she can get married. Do you know that? You don't know that age doesn't wait for women. Age doesn't wait for women. Women need to marry early. Do everything earlier time. And enjoyed it. At the year 40 years, Regina. By the time Regina is 40, she's enjoying the fruit of her labor. So many women, they are 50 years, they are still sending their children to university. Their children is still at the university. So many women, they are 60 years, their children, they are still in secondary school, university. When are you going to eat the fruit of your womb? Is it when you are in the burial ground? Is it when they bury you? Because Regina is doing her own fast now, you are complaining. What are you complaining for? At the age of 40, 45, Regina is eating the fruit of her labor. The way her mother is eating nice. Because when Regina dress up and her mother dress up, you will know that this is her mother. And in their culture, it's not a sin. Their own culture, Igbo people. Their own culture never say which age. It's not a barrier. It's not an abomination. For 20 years in the Igbo land to get married. It's not abomination. It's not something new in their community. In Igbo land. She can get married as the man can pay the bride rights. I beg, if anybody sees 65 years old that is also old in her company, God will bless you, Tesi. I beg you, let me go and work on gidi. Ó lè má jẹ́ billionaire, ó lè jẹ́ millionaire. Torí mi gangan tí mo jókòó síwájú mi ò milo. Kò sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ millionaire nínú àkáǹtì mi. Kò sí millionaire nínú àkáǹtì mi. Thousand naira ni mi. So tí millionaire bá wá sí mi wàláì. Oh, bá 85. Mama bẹ́ẹ̀ fi ọwọ́ gbé sínú ẹ̀. Mama bẹ́ẹ̀ fọwọ́ gbé sínú Punani. Oríṣiríṣi. Mama bẹ́ẹ̀ fi ọwọ́ gbé kíní ẹ̀ sínú Punani mi. Mama manage ẹ̀. Tó ń gbé mo mọ̀ tó bá jẹ pẹ́kẹ́. Wàláì mo wà nínú ayé. Kí ló ń ṣe yín? Please continue your good talk. Don't say negative about anybody, especially the actress. Check on you. Oh, God will bless you. My sister marriage is lucky. My sister marriage is lucky and destiny. Yes, so my baby ni tó bá jẹ́ 85 years, so they marry me, they need millionaire ni. Oh yeah. Wedding, yeah. Some people just born and marry 75 just for document to stay in abroad. That one life they are wasted. Confirm money apart Yoshi. Confirm. Man yo bá jẹ́ sufferness. Kò bá jẹ́ on suffer. Nítorí pé ó ti gbé red passport yẹn dání. Wọ́n máa fẹ́. Eléyìí kò kúrò nílùú ẹ̀ o, kò wá red passport kiri o. Ó ní ẹjí má sùn, private jet. Ìran yín kankan ò wọ̀ rí. Ìran yín kò wọ private jet rí. Abeg kí sọ̀rọ̀ jàre aunty.
Jeep na your Jeep. I'm like a mother, I'm advising you, Regina. It's wrong, but you have been playing with your life. Look, we have children, mommy, mother. We have children in motherless home. Please go and help them pay school. Exactly. Please claim one and mentor them the way you
They will not do that.
We have children.
God will bless you. They will not do it. They will not take those children in motherless home. The only thing they will do, they will be taking the children to trafficking, ashewo, prostitution them. Because Regina refused to be a prostitution. Regina refused to be prostitute. That's why you are saying she's too young to get married. Which age? She have chosen what is best for her. She can never lack any good things in her life. It's not possible for her to lack any good things in her life. Now they hear, they gossip, who they fly who dey fly plane jet no mind them dare na see they go on gossip wèrè wọ́n wà lórí gossiping àwọn olóṣìwò wí la sọ̀rọ̀ yín lánàá ìyá òṣì tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọmọ yẹn burúkú like that woman that is talking bad thing about Regina. She will be at the corner of her house so saying, why this man no see me? Even you will wish to be number 20 wife. You wish to be number 20 wife. With all those Nigeria poverty that is killing you guys in Nigeria. Killing you guys in Nigeria. Plus SARS problem. So you want Regina to be 50 years before she get married. Anofia, you are confirmed Anofia. Leave Regina alone. Let her have a baby in peace. She's pregnant. She can have that baby at the country of the country of she wish. Oh my God. Gbogbo ọmọ tí ó máa bí nílé ayé tó bá wùn ó lè bí sí America, ó lè bí sí Canada. Tó bá sọ pé bí tó bá wùn òun ló máa bí ọmọ sí. Bí tó bá wùn ló máa bí ọmọ sí. You are there complaining. Ọmọ tó rọra mú feature gidi. Gbogbo ọmọ tí ọmọ yẹn máa bí sílé ayé. Ibi tó bá wùn ó ló máa bí sí. Ẹ fi sílẹ̀. Let her be. Let her be number 20 wife. In as much the money is there. What of people that they are talika? They are talika man. They marry more than one wife. Even their children did not go to school. They will be calling us, disturbing when mi ọmọ kò lè níyàn. Ọmọ mi ò lọ school. Ọmọ mi ṣé mi gan kàwé. Èmi gan ò kàwé. Ó wá bí ọmọ Regina ọkọ hu bàbá yẹn wá fẹ́ ọmọ ẹ̀ a máa sọ pé ó ti dàgbà jù fún ọmọ ẹ̀ ó máa tálíkà ikú ni tó bá pè mí pé ó fẹ́ sanwó school ọmọ ẹ̀ máa fún ẹ lẹ́sẹ̀ lójú mi torí ẹni tó máa gbọ́n ìyanu nínú ìgbésí ayé yìí somebody that will gbọ́n ìyanu less ìyanu kí ni ìyànà ṣé bísí la máa pe ìyàní somebody that will remove poverty out of your life. You say he's too old for your child to marry. I beg, come for me. Come. I'm not telling you, how many times I'm having paid 18 years, so she could 5 years. Millionaire, please come. Me, Mokoto man share in Nigeria. Your father is a poverty. Your mother is a poverty. Your mother is a poverty. You have a child. Ọmọ yẹn náà. Wallahi, son name in. Change the son name in. See, Mr. and Mrs. Poverty. Just change your son name. Because kí a lè enjoy your ọmọ. Change your name to Poverty. Kini kókó ìwà láyé ìyá mi suffer bàbá suffer ṣé mi náà tún fẹ́ suffer ni èmi ò mà ní ogun ìdílé mà nìyẹn kò mà ní ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ṣojú tèmi kò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ láyé tèmi lórí tèmi ló máa ti break it's gonna break in my own. Ẹ káàárọ̀ ọmọ mi Elin ẹ káàárọ̀ ọmọ mi ẹ káàárọ̀ ọmọ it's gonna break. Tí o bá ń ṣe bí o ṣe dàgbà nílé ayé yìí ni ó yẹ kí olówó fẹ́ mi ni olówó ló yẹ kó fẹ́ mi àwọn senator and senators bí o ṣe dàgbà ni upbringing èèyàn ni. Hello ma 472 lówó mo ti send ẹ sí ma mo wà àwọn ọmọ yín wà. Màá bá yín send sí yín sìn. Okay. Ṣé kò yẹ yín sìn? Tí o bá kí ṣe upbringing ni. Ìyá olówó bàbá olówó poverty. Tí o bá kí ṣe poverty millionaire lèmi náà bá bímọ fún. poverty ni a lè mi mọ bọ́mọ yẹn ṣe rìn ni bí wọ́n ṣe dàgbà ni poverty ló máa múyàn lọ gbé ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ ṣọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ poverty ni ìjọ máa lówó sì wá gbé ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ ṣọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ kò lè work poverty ìyà tí bàbá mi jìyà kémi Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kò yẹ kí bàbá mi jìyà kémi ọmọ tún jẹ́ ìṣe ni kò mójútó ọ̀rọ̀ ara ẹ̀ torí tí wọn náà bá tún jìyà àwọn ọmọ tó bí náà máa jẹ wo àwọn olówó yẹn ìjẹ́ àwọn ọmọ tó ń bí ṣán jìyà àwọn náà ń fi owó yẹn ran àwọn ọmọ tó bí ni àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n bí táwọn náà bá bímọ àwọn náà tún fi owó yẹn ran àwọn ọmọ tó bí ni téèyàn bá ní owó ẹ wo bó ṣe ẹ wo ẹjẹ ń fi kinní kan wọ̀nyí ń fẹ́ fi kinní kan wọ̀nyí láàárọ̀ yìí wa Nigeria the way we ronú is different from any other person our ìrònú is something else don't ronú bí kíní ọmọ olówó á fẹ́ lọ sí school á ní owó ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ kò ní wọnú school yẹn lọ kó lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ school yẹn ṣé máa wá sórí social media á máa tọrọ owó kò lè wá sórí social media á máa tọrọ owó ó máa lọ sí school yẹn ni because èèyàn ọmọ kò lè níyàn lèyàn nìyàn ṣe máa wá sórí social media wá tọrọ owó èèyàn wá rí ẹni tó máa fẹ́yàn tó máa gbọ́n gbogbo ìṣẹ́ dànù lára èèyàn ẹ ṣọ́ra yín o ẹ wá ń bú ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ẹ fẹ́ ọmọ ọlọ́mọ sílẹ̀ kó gbádùn gbèsè ayé ẹ leave now leave it ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ lọ́mọ yìí ṣe ọmọdé tí mo fẹ́ fi hàn yín ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ni ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ló ṣe ẹ wo nǹkan tó ṣe fún ẹ wo nǹkan tó ṣe fún ẹ wo nǹkan tó ṣe fún ẹlòmíì lọ fi ṣe ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ó wà lọ́mọdún 9 wọ́n bá sùn níbẹ̀ ẹlòmíì wọ́n lọ fi ṣe ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ó wà ní 9 years old wọ́n dẹ̀ ọ̀gá ẹ̀ dẹ̀ bá sùn ó dẹ̀ do ayé rẹ̀ jí náà rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ayé rẹ̀ jí náà rí bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n fi lọ ṣọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ó kàn tó fẹ́ lọ marry ọmọ ẹlòmíì wọ́n mú lọ ṣe ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ó wà lọ́mọdún 9 wọ́n dẹ̀ bá sùn kí lẹ ń sọ ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ kíní kan fún yín kò yẹ kí màmá mi jìyà kémi ọmọ tún jẹ gbogbo nǹkan tó bá máa gbà fún la máa fi ṣe ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ó wà lọ́mọdún 9 ṣé kò yẹ yín ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ máa sọ pé kíní kan àwọn tó ń sọ bullshit
a motherless home, please go and help them pay school fees, claim one and mentor them the way you like. We have children that have been given out to men before they even clock 10. I don't know about it. Let's fight that one. We have children that need help. Let's leave the one that have more than already alone. We have children that get married at the age of 18 and they're celebrating 20 years old.
Since she is of legal marital age, no one have a right to choose for anyone apart from love today. People put convenience into consideration. Ẹ má dá wọn lóhùn. Ọmọ tẹ́ pé ìgbà tó máa fi ríǹgì sí lọ́wọ́. Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìgbà tó máa fi ríǹgì sí lọ́wọ́. Inú private jet ló ti fi sí lọ́wọ́. Private jet. Nígbà tó ṣe engagement tán. Wọ́n gbé private jet lé lọ́wọ́. Ẹ̀yin mélòó ni wọ́n ti ṣe engagement fún lọ gbé private jet lé yín lọ́wọ́. Kò sí. Abeg, may na stop it. Nobody wey no like better thing, no. Ó máa dá fún yín. Who no like better thing? Èmi gan, I love turkey. Who won't die of sufferness? Who won't die of suffer? Who won't die of suffering? Mo rántí ìgbà tí mọ́mí Jíò wá sínú London, tí ọmọ mi ṣe birthday, tí wọ́n gbé wa jáde. Mọ ọdún mélòó tí mo ti wà nínú London, mi ìwọ bẹ̀ yẹn rí. How many years mo ti wà nínú London? Mi ìwọ Royal Restaurant yẹn rí. royal restaurant tó gbé wa yẹn mi débẹ̀ rí láyé mi tí mi bá mọ mi jí orí tí máa lò nílé ayé mi lè má débẹ̀ mi ò débẹ̀ láyé mi rí. The restaurant was too stunnish. Ó ti pọ̀jù, ara mi ò balẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo kàn sọ̀rọ̀ ara mi ò balẹ̀. Tó mi ibẹ̀ yẹn ti fine jù. Tówẹ̀ tó máa fi nawọ́, tówẹ̀ yẹn tún gbóná, mi ò tí ì wẹ̀rì. Tówẹ̀ tó máa fi nawọ́, tówẹ̀ ní tuntun ni, pé o kàn fẹ́ fi nǹkan nawọ́. Tówẹ̀ yẹn gbóná ni. Tẹ́ bá dé rí nǹkan tó ń tà ńbẹ̀, àwọn nǹkan tó yẹ pé mi ò tiẹ̀ gbọ́ orúkọ ẹ̀ rí láyé mi. Ni ò mọ̀ tó máa gbé àwọn nǹkan náà wá báyìí. Poverty ni tí ó bá kìí ṣe poverty máa many years tí mo ti wà nílùú òyìnbó ni tí mi mọ̀ bẹ̀ mi tí ẹ lè lọ jẹun bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Ọlọ́run máa ń jẹ nígbà tó ń jẹ pé with £50 mo máa lu ọbẹ̀ lọ £50 àbí wèrè ṣe olúwẹ̀ ni poverty. For the first time in my life mo tún wọ Harrods láti ijọ́ yẹn tí wọ́n ti mú mi lọ síbẹ̀ mi ti sọ láìlọ́ọ̀nù yẹn nù láìlọ́ọ̀nù ordinary carrier bag tó fún mi pé mo fi gbé báàgì Máyọ̀wá mi ò tí sọ báàgì yẹn nù ó wà nínú ilé mo fi ṣe dressing because mi níwò ẹ̀ nínú ilé mi rí poverty ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ poverty ló máa jẹ́ kí o lọ sí Harrods for the first time in your life wà wá gbé báàgì yẹn láìlọ́ọ̀nù ẹ ṣáà mọ̀ láìlọ́ọ̀nù tó máa fi carrier bag tó máa fi pé nǹkan lọ kéèyàn máa ti sọnù láti January mi lè fi hàn yín kẹ má ò bí àmọ́ parọ́ mo lè mú jáde poverty ni ṣé tí bá tẹ̀lé billionaire ẹjọ́ instantly tá ṣe délé kan ni ma ti sọ láìlọ́ọ̀nù yẹn nù instantly tó wáyé pé billionaire ni mo tẹ̀lé because reference ni pé mi náà wọ Harrods nínú gbèsè ayé mi pé mi náà wọ Harrods is a reference wọ́n máa ní ìrọ́lẹ̀ òpàmáyà lọ gbé láìlọ́ọ̀nù yẹn wá kò ṣáà possible kó má lọ sí Harrods kó dẹ̀ ní láìlọ́ọ̀nù yẹn nínú ilé kò possible mo ká ní nígbà tó ń ṣe aṣọ mo fi sínú báàgì ibi tí máa ń kó aṣọ mi sí mo fi sísàlẹ̀ mo ká ní ẹ mọ̀ kéèyàn ká nǹkan mo ká láì ṣọmọ òkókó mo ká ní poverty ni àwọn nǹkan téèyàn ṣe nígbésí ayé ẹ̀yìn kí o wá rí opportunity tó wá ṣe o ààrẹ ò ní balẹ̀ ààrẹ máa gbọ̀n ni ọmọlọ́mọ wa lọ fólówó I love you too Roger Kehinde Jimoh Mama, please don't kill me I just love you I love you too Mommy Helen I love you too honestly speaking mo ká láìlọ́ọ̀nù yẹn mo ká mi ò lè bóyá láìlọ́ọ̀nù yẹn ṣe wà mí lè lọ fi ṣe shopping Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kí eré ṣù poverty oh my God poverty ni because látijọ́ tó ti bí mi sílé ayé mi ò bóyá mo lè ní láìlọ́ọ̀nù kí ló kọ ṣọ́ọ̀bù yẹn sínsìn náà Harrods mi ò bẹ́ẹ̀ nílé ayé mi ìrònú ẹ̀ nílé ayé mi rí pé mi tiẹ̀ lè wọbẹ̀ mo wá wọbẹ̀ mo wá ní láìlọ́ọ̀nù ẹ̀ àjọ máa gbé títí láìláì tàbá ń kó kú òbí àjọ máa kó tàbá kó kú àjọ máa kó kúrò ní mílíọ̀nìà kan wá wèrè kan sọ fún mi pé mo ti dàgbà jù àbí mo ti kúrú jù káyé ẹ fọmọ mọlọmọ sílẹ̀ look I saw a woman who laid down her life for a man and never be worried how much the guy is lower to her, and the guy show her best of best love. Kí ló kọ́ mi àti love? Daddy, show love. Show love ló bá yín sọ, daddy. Oh, love kan ló ń sọ. Poverty ni. I'm telling you the truth. Poverty. Poverty ló máa ń jẹ́ kéèyàn ṣe so many things nílé ayé. Tó yẹ pé not that you wanted to do it. Poverty. Mo mọ̀ pé àwọn èèyàn máa sọ pé ó ṣe máa ṣì gbé carrier bag yẹn dání. Wàláì mo ní lọ́wọ́. Mo ní tọ̀yìn. You know I will not lie to you guys. Mo ní lọ́wọ́ ni. Poverty ni. Poverty ni. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká tàn wá wá. Any slice opportunity in life, let's make use of it. Don't let it go don't let it pass you by. It may be the opportunity that will change your life for good. Má jẹ́ ká máa wà níbi tí wọ́n ti máa bá ti èèyàn jẹ́. Èèyàn tó jẹ́ pé ó ní lọ síwájú. Wọ́n náà máa wà bẹ́ẹ̀ wá bá ti ẹ̀jẹ̀, wá bá ti ẹ̀jẹ̀, wá sọ pé pé nìkan ọmọ tó ń gbádùn. Ìran mi ògùn jet. Ìran mi kò gùn rí. Báwo ni ibo ló ti fẹ́ rí, ibo mo ti fẹ́ rí owó. Àwọn nǹkan kan wà tó yẹ pé mo wò pé kò lè impossible. Tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ impossible kò possible. Torí mi wá lè sọ lọ́la o. Àní lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tí mo wà yìí, ìran mi ò tí gùn jet. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tí mo wà ń sìn yìí o. Mi wá lè sọ lọ́la o. Anything can happen tomorrow, but at the moment, ẹ má jẹ́ àtàn wa 99p ni. Wọ́n ti gbà ẹ́ tí màmá sọ fún wọn pé £5 ní o, 399. 399 aṣọ yìí kò tí ó ti ẹ wọ £5 aṣọ tí mo wọ̀ sọ́hùn. Mo dẹ̀ ti ní báyìí sìn láti 2017 mo ti ń wọ aṣọ yìí. Mo ti ní aṣọ yìí 2017 ni mo ti ń wọ. Kò dẹ̀ wọ £5 tí mo rà nígbà yẹn. Torí ìgbà summer ni máa ra aṣọ winter jù. Ó dẹ̀ máa ń cheap gan. 2017 ni mo dẹ̀ ṣì ń wọ̀. A dẹ̀ wà ní 2019. Ṣé tó bá yẹ pé millionaire ni mo bímọ fún? Joshi máa wọ aṣọ 2017 ní 2019 kò lè work. Má ti dá gbogbo ẹ̀dùn kúrò nínú wardrobe mi. Because money speaking owó ló ń sọ. Bí a 2 months máa change wardrobe mi. Kò possible. Mo ṣì ń wọ aṣọ 2014. Mo ṣì ń wọ. Ni wọ́n sọ pé kinní kan. Ẹ yé parọ́. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn tẹ́ ń sọ pé kinní kan kò yẹ kó ṣe pé kò yẹ kó ṣàwò. Ṣé kó lọ fẹ́ ọmọ èjì ẹ̀ tó máa fìyà jẹ? Tó máa fi lọ ṣe yahoo. Tó máa lọ lo ìgbésí ayé láti lọ fi ṣe yahoo. Àbí wọ́n sọ fún yín pé wọ́n àwọn bàbá bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn máa ń fi wọ́n ṣògùn wo ni. Àwọn yẹn ti lówó wọn tó wá jẹ lánìí wá láì. Mo láìkọ ọmọ yẹn mọ̀ jọ. Ẹ bí bọ́mọ yẹn ṣe jó fún yàláyà yín ni. Ẹ wo bọ́mọ yẹn ṣe ṣe. Ọmọ yẹn ṣe ṣe. Ẹ wo bọ́mọ yẹn ṣe ṣe. Ọmọ yẹn jó gbàgbé. Oh my God, that was the ò tiẹ̀ ní balẹ̀. Wọ́n ti mọ̀ ìpé ọmọdé tálákà máa ní àyè. Because kí n ṣe máa jó. Ẹ wo bó ṣe máa ń jó. Wọ́n tún ṣe music fún ni. wọ́n ṣe music fún ẹ̀yin mélòó ló compose music fún yín music yẹn wọ́n change ẹ̀ ní kò ṣe music yẹn gangan kò ṣe òun ló ní wọ́n change ẹ̀ ní wọ́n change music yẹn ní abeg na live na life